Good morning. It's good to see everybody here this morning. Thank you for being here. Just want to remind all those that are here and those on Facebook that our sermon won't be on Facebook next Sunday morning. I'm going to be gone on vacation next Sunday. The vacation actually starts next Sunday. And so we'll be gone for a week or so, visiting various places, and our prayers will be with you. We hope you'll pray for us that we have a safe and prosperous vacation. Let me ask you a question this morning. Have you ever had a new world experience? I think we all have had. Back in 1977, I had a new world experience. I left Northern Illinois and came down to a place called Carbondale. I'd been down here one time before, and that was in a summer several years before. My brother had a forestry class, or a forestry camp at SIU. But I didn't know anybody down here, didn't have any friends going to school here, and I made this monumental decision to go to SIU Carbondale to study. And it was a new world. I'd never been here before, other than that one time, didn't know the people here. Later found out it was called Little Egypt. Somebody told me it was because of the hot, humid weather. First winter I was here, they had 12 inches of snow. But it was a new world for me. Have you ever had a new world experience? Several years later, I met Vanna, a widow with two half-grown boys, and we got married. That was a new world experience. Not only was I learning to be a husband, but I had to learn how to be a dad at the same time. Some of you have experienced new world experiences. Think about your life. When you got married, that was a new world. When you had children, that was a new world. When you had grandchildren. So many things in our life we're going to call a new world experience. And we could probably tell a story about it. In 2 Peter chapter 3, Peter tells us about a new world experience. And he calls it the new heavens and the new earth. And if we simply understand, the idea is something will be totally different than the way it is now. Now, with my new world experience coming to Carbondale, I was still in Illinois. It was still the same state. I didn't know anybody. Soon that new world became my world, and I stayed here for a long time. But the new world that Peter's talking about, the new heavens and the new earth, we read in verse 10, everything's going to be destroyed. Everything that is here will be gone. As a matter of fact, in verse 7, he says, the heavens and the earth which are now preserved, for the same word, are reserved for fire unto the day of judgment and perdition of ungodly men. This earth, these heavens are going to be gone. We're going to have a new world, a great world. It's described by Peter as the new heavens and the new earth. Revelation 21 verse 1 and following. John in the book of Revelation tells us about this new place